Trani.
Ayan na po, nagsimula na yung mga celebrations dito. Kanya-kanyang buhat na. Hindi baliktad na yung binubuhat nila. At si Jessica Curato.
Pwede yan.
O, binaliktad nila si Jessica Curato sa init siya.
Pwede yan.
Sa ere. Let's take a look at our 10 highlights brought to you by Share for PGF. The first and only multivitamins for teens. Again, so many highlights here for USC. So difficult to choose a winning highlight. Pero ito ang kanilang depensa has just been stellar. And it turns into offense every now and then. Ito po si Jengbo Lee was checked there by USC. And in the end, Mary Jean Balsi, of course, puts it away. And again, what a championship run para di sa upunan ng USC. And speaking of Mary Jean Balsi, she's our best player of the game. And she is with Monty Ravena.
Well, folks, ito na. MVP, best player, ano pa, best hair, best uniform, Mary Jean, grabe ang nilaro mo today. Ibang klase talaga. You outclassed everybody. Talaga bang yung mindset mo for today, ibang level?
Sabi lang talaga kasi nandun na yung teamwork namin, tapos nagkaisa kami, saka communication, kasi kailangan, gusto namin manalo kasi sa puso yung ginagawa namin. Kaya ginawa namin yung best namin, kaya ito, nakuha namin, thanks Lord!
Kasi up to na, mukhang hyper na hyper pa din si Mary Jean. Again, Mary Jean, siguro, no, nakaka-touch yung supporter sa inyo ng USD. Lahat nandito ngayon. Maybe you want to thank them?
Oo, maraming salamat po sa mga USD. Nandito po mga supporters po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At lalo na ito, nanonood po dyan sa mga telebisyon. Maraming salamat po!
Well, Jean, hindi matapos yan. Ito ang very special shaded bag. Nakita mo naman, backpack yan for today. Just for you. Well, again, thank you and congratulations to you. Back to Noel and Coach Ronnie.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this going. As USC, of course, does their victory cheer, we will have our awarding ceremony now. We bring in Coach Mac Capuela.
Let us now move on to the awarding ceremony. To present the award, we have Mr. Vic Gregorio, Executive Vice President and COO of Shakey's Pizza. Honorable J.B. Ejercito, Mayor of San Juan. Mr. Ricky Palud, President, Sports Vision Management Group Incorporated. And Mr. Tony Boyliao, Tournament Commissioner. The Most Valuable Player of the Finals Award. Ang player na ito ay nagpakitang gilas sa finals upang madala ang kanyang team sa championship. Last year, the award went to San Sebastian College's number 7 to Zane Rosen. Today, this award goes to, from the University of Santo Tomas, wearing jersey number 1, Rhea Katrina Immaculangan. And now,